And now, exclusive Storm Tracker Doppler weather with meteorologist Chase Ward.
We're also tracking just a few leftover showers from the front that moved through yesterday. It's kind of currently along the Mississippi River, but there's still some showers popping up in southern sections of LaSalle and Cahilla Parish, kind of exiting just to the east of Winsboro into Tensall and near Tallulah as well up in Madison Parish along the I-20 corridor. But from Ouachita all the way up into southern Arkansas, we're just kind of dealing with some leftover cloud cover that will continue throughout the course of this morning as everything slowly kind of trends off to the east. So really by lunchtime, everything's going to be out of here. You can see there's the front. It's actually moved further into Mississippi, and all the showers are following that. Got high pressure kind of starting to settle in across portions of Texas, which will slowly track its way into our region by the weekend. Now, as far as rainfall, we got plenty of it, and especially got near 2 inches in some places, especially further south in Concordia and Catahoula Parish late last night, and everywhere else got between about half an inch to an inch. Some other spots got about 1.5 inches. Temperatures mostly in the 50s. We'd have a couple 40s. El Dorado's at 48, 43 up in Camden, 53 out in Ruston. Dew points haven't really changed a whole lot. They have slacked down to the 50s compared to where we were yesterday. We were sitting in the mid 60s with the dew points, but probably won't be seeing them varying too much. We will pick up on a westerly wind. However, dew points will probably be back on the climb as we get deeper into the weekend. Winds have been starting to shift westerly though, mainly between 6 to 9 miles per hour. A bit calmer up towards Camden where we are seeing some fog develop. All right, the ground's very wet. Even the roadways are still wet. So there's going to be some evaporation, but because we got some winds, there's not any fog developing along the I-20 corridor, but up around Camden, visibility has dropped to less than a quarter mile. So heads up in that direction. Bust up forecast will be cloudy this morning. Some places do need to grab the umbrella. By this afternoon though, we'll see clearing skies and sunshine will return. Temperatures reaching mid 60s area wide for our highs, and then tonight falling to lower 40s with some places tapping in around 38, 39, probably in the coldest it's been in a while. Now as high pressure continues to track easterly along the Gulf Coast, winds continue to stay westerly, but they'll calm down tonight. We'll probably see some patchy fog develop through tomorrow morning because the ground, it's still going to be soaking wet even through tomorrow morning. So once high pressure moves off to the east going into Sunday, that's where these winds kind of start to shift more suddenly as we get deeper into next week going into February, where it's going to actually seem and feel like it's mid-late spring pushing into early summer with the way these temperatures are going to be trending, and also how it's going to feel like humidity wise. It's going to feel almost like early summer. You know, when we get into the middle and late summer, it's like hot and humid. Well, it's going to kind of feel a little warm and humid as we go into next week because the temperature outlook, looking beyond the forecast, still expected to trend well above average as we could be pushing upper 70s, probably a few degrees away from near 80 by next Wednesday and Thursday. So it's not going to feel like February at all. If you're hoping for some more winter weather, well, at least for now, we're going to have to wait. So temperatures in mid 60s today, gradual clearing. The winds are still going to be breezy, but they calm down tonight. We'll fall to lower 40s. Through tomorrow, we'll see mostly clear skies. It's going to be pleasant with us in the mid 60s, and then we will see those temperatures keep climbing. We'll be in the 70s again by Sunday and mid 70s by Tuesday into Wednesday, pushing upper 70s through the middle and late part of next week as clock over will return, and that's going to be the point where I said it's going to feel like it's middle to late spring. So don't be breaking up these summer clothes yet. We still have a whole month of February to go and March, so we could definitely see some colder weather before winter is said and done, but definitely going to be above average, at least for now.